CS2, CS1, CM1, and CB1.
Okay. CM1, CS1,
CS2 and CB1.
CS2 and CB1. Okay. So, okay. And how was your CM2 paper?
Sir, it went well.
Doing well. Okay. It got okay. तो आप इस attempt में you can give CB2 in this attempt. आप CB2 के साथ चालू कर सकते हो.
And sir, should I pair it with some other paper? That's what I was thinking, but I wasn't sure which paper to pair it with.
Hi, Kaiwan. How are you?
Hi, fine, sir. How are you, sir?
Great. Okay, so what was the query going on?
He has cleared these. He has given CM2 this attempt, and he has cleared CM1, CS1, CB1, and CS.
CP1, suggestion CP1.
Okay, you can start with CP1 then. You can give CP1.
CP1 का हम लोग का वीकेंड पे लाइव लेक्चर्स होगा. प्रवीण संचेती सर का रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स है. ठीक है, तो रिकॉर्डेड प्लस लाइव सेशंस होंगे हमारे. So you start with CP1. That is the only option.
ओके सर. सर CB2 या ऐसा कोई अभी नहीं करूँ तो शुड आई गो विद CB?
चालू करो, सीधा CP1 चालू करो, सोचो ही मत इतना.
ओके सर.
आज चालू कर दो, जितना लंबा पढ़ोगे उतना बढ़िया रहेगा. CP1 वैसे भी थोड़ा फास्ट है, बट CP1 पहले क्लियर कर लो. ठीक है. हाँ ईशा, एनी डाउट? ईशा स्वाइका, any doubt which you're having?
No, sir.
Okay. So how many papers have you cleared?
Sir, 3 papers cleared and 4th paper given this time.
कौन सा हो गया तुम्हारा?
सर CM1, CS1, CB2 हो गया, इस बार CM2 दिए.
अच्छा, तो यशवंत, what advice we can give?
सर मेरा ना CS2 नहीं हुआ था पिछले बार, तो इस बार वापस इस सितंबर के लिए CS2 करे या फिर क्या करे?
Okay, यशवंत.
So C1 CM2 like paper
Yes.
का wait, like we can wait for the results till for the CM2, and तब तक CS2 we can like तैयारी कर सकते हैं उसकी.
अनाउंस कर लिया है ना, तो नया पेपर सजेस्ट करने से बढ़िया है कि हम लोग इसी पे फोकस करें. लाइक जो लिया है उसी पे फोकस करो. तो CS2 का एक्सटेंशन एंड along with that if you want, तुम्हारा और एक पेपर कौन सा क्लियर नहीं है ईशा लोअर लेवल में?
CB1.
CB1 तुम ले सकती हो फ्रेश, एंड CS2.
ठीक है सर.
ठीक है. पूजा, एनी डाउट? If you can tell us about the background. पूजा शाह.
Yes, sir.
बोलो. अपना थोड़ा बैकग्राउंड, accordingly we can guide you.
Background in the sense of 4th year BCom right now. I have cleared CM1, CB1, CS1. CS2 I gave, clear नहीं हुआ था. CM2 I have given अभी April में ये attempt में. And now I am thinking of giving 2 small papers in this attempt.
Why CS2? CS2 क्यों नहीं?
सर इतना शॉर्ट अटेम्प्ट में CS2 नहीं हो पाएगा. मेरे को हो नहीं पाएगा, तो सोच रहे हैं नेक्स्ट अप्रैल में दे देगा.
तो शॉर्ट पे तुम्हारा क्या क्या बाकी है लोअर लेवल में?
CB2 बाकी है और CB3 अभी दे सकता है.
CB3 अभी मत दो, CB2 बाकी है. तुम CP2 और CB2 दे सकता है.
हाँ, that's what I was thinking. CB2 and CP2.
CP2 and CB2. Now, Yashwant, if you can guide on how the classes will be conducted for CB2 and CP2. Yashwant, you're not audible.
Sorry. Yes. So for the CB2 we have online class from 8:30 to 9:30 p.m. Tuesday and Thursdays. And for the offline, we have like where do you put up Pooja?
I stay in Kolkata.
Okay, so like you can go for 1:30 to like 3 p.m. We have Sundays class offline. Yes.
And for CP2, right? You are guiding for CP2?
Yes.
Okay, so Pooja, in CP2 we'll be starting our classes from the May 1st week, basically. And the classes for CP2 will be conducted by weekends, and it will be conducted by a near qualified actuary who has secured Air 1 in CP2. And apart from that, you will be also getting recorded lectures of Shivangi ma'am and Nidul Heda sir. And on weekends, you will be having live classes in which questions or past paper solving will be done. And apart from that, you'll be also getting master classes and doubts classes for CP2.
Okay.
Yes. And what you want to know about which paper, which other paper?
I got to know about that from someone else. CB2 and CP2.
Okay, and CB2 currently we have launched a 100% live online batch. The class will be taking place at 9:30 p.m. So it will be a compulsory batch for all to attend. It will be taken by Shivangi ma'am, and the
So
class
When is that
at
batch
8:30
commencing?
p.m. Okay, 8:30 p.m. The batches will begin from next week itself for CB2.
Okay.
Okay, the classes will take place at 8:30 p.m. and that will be covered by Shivangi ma'am. Apart from that, we will be what is your location? Where are you from?
Kolkata.
Kolkata. And apart from that, on weekends, on Sundays, we'll be having offline class by Shivangi ma'am from 1:30 p.m. to 3 p.m. in which any doubts, revision, sum solving and question solving will be done by Shivangi ma'am. And for the offline class will be completely offline. It will not be in hybrid mode. And if you have any doubt, any queries, you're most welcome to attend the classes Kolkata Offline Center from Kolkata Offline Center.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Any other doubt anyone else has? Isha, Kevin, Pooja. Okay, I'll just request Yashwant to drop his office contact number. So he will
sure.
be your POC. And if you have any queries regarding anything, you can contact Yashwant. He'll guide you along the for the admission process. Okay. Okay. Thank you all.
Thank you.